Question 9 on exercise 2.2c says we should find the highest common factor of the following using index notation. Just like we did in the other exercises, we shall divide 72 and 60 by their common prime factors. So, using the division table, we have 72 and 60. You then start with the least prime number that is divisible, and which is 2. 72 and 60 are divisible by 2, being that their last digit is said to be even. So 2 can divide 72 and 60. 2 into 7 is 3 times remainder 1. This becomes 12. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 60 is 30. 2 can still divide. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8. And 2 into 30 is 15. Can 2 divide? 2 can divide 18 without a remainder, but 2 cannot divide 15 without a remainder. So, we test for the next higher prime number, which is 3. 3 is divisible because 3 can divide 18 and 15. They are all multiples of 3. So, 3 into 18 is said to be 6. 3 into 15 is 5. At this point, there is no common factor that can divide 6 and 5 without a remainder. So our HCF is said to be equal to 2 times 2 times 3. That is all the prime factors that have been used. And this is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is said to be 12. So 12 is said to be our HCF, meaning that 12 is the highest common factor that can divide 72 and 60 without a remainder. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. I shall now take the last question on exercise 2.2c.